Hello everyone and welcome back once again to this channel. In today's video we're going to be looking at how to create YouTube Kids profile. Now you can create a YouTube Kids profile for your child within the YouTube Kids app itself, and here's a general guide on how to get it done. First, you need to open the YouTube Kids app by launching YouTube Kids app on the device your child will be using. Next, you need to create a profile. You see, when you launch the app, you will likely encounter a screen prompting you to create a profile. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. You may also need to sign in with your Google account. This will help link the YouTube Kids profile to your account for parental control. Don't forget to provide basic information like your child's age and your child's name. This is just optional though. Then you can choose a content level. Select the appropriate content level for your child's age, preschool, younger or older. Next, after following the on-screen instruction to create a profile, the next thing you need to do is parental control. You need to familiarize yourself with the parental controls available within the YouTube app. Then you can also adjust the settings. There's some features like approved content only, which allows you to handpick the channels and videos your child can access. Use it. Next, we have what we call the search restriction. It will help you to limit the types of searches your child can perform. Use that feature too. Then next we have time limit. Here you can set daily limit for your YouTube child's usage. In other words, you can set daily limit for your child. That way you can monitor and limit the number of hours they spend on YouTube. Now, once you've done with all this, the next thing you can do is a child can start exploring age-appropriate content within the YouTube Kids app. It's as simple as that. Now, like I said earlier, creating a YouTube Kids profile is just the first step. You have to be involved in supervision. You see, ongoing parental involvement is crucial. Regularly review and adjust the settings to ensure they are appropriate for your child's age and development. Open communication. Please open communication with your child. Talk to your child about online safety and responsible content consumption. This general guide should help you create a YouTube Kids profile for your child. Remember to refer to specific instructions within the YouTube Kids app for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.